Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. So x multiplied by this one. Next we have b, that is about y, and q, that is about this one. So we have dx, that means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So we have number 1. We have dy, that means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to x. So this one we have 2x. This one we have number 1. So we can see that this one and this one, they are not the same. But if I put this one minus this one, so we have 4xy minus number 2. So we can do about factorization by number 2. And we can see that this one is similar for this one. That means this one we have dy. So we need to find about the mu x. And now we need to transform into exact. That means we multiply both sides by mu x. So we want to find mu x to make sure that we can transform into exact. That means this one and this one should be about the same. Now for the first one, that is about dx. So that means this one you got about mu x. Because we just do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So we have number 1 from y in here. This one, that should be like this. So for this one we have 2x. This one we have number 1. This one, after we got this one, I will put this one go to the left. So mu x and mu x we can do about factorization. So the negative will change the sign of this one. So we have like this. So number 1 and number 1, we have number 2. And this one we can do about factorization by s. So we put s go outside. This one I will put negative number 2 go outside. Now we need to divide both sides by this one. Next we divide both sides by mu x and x. Next, we put the interpolation for the both sides. So, the interpolation of this one, we have like this. This one, we have Ln of the absolute value of mu s. So, we put negative number 2 go inside about natural law in here. And now, we have the final answer. And this one, that is about 1 over s squared. So, in this case, we go back in here. So, we multiply both sides by this one. And we can see that if I put b, that is this one. And cube, that is this one. So, this is about dx. So, we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So, this one we have 1 over s squared. And this one, that is about 1 over s squared. So we can see that this one and this one, they are the same. So that is about exact. And now we need to set up about the function fsy. So I select about this one. And we have 3sy. The interpolation of this one, we have negative y over s. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f in terms of y. So this one, we have negative number 1 over s. This one, we have d over dy 3sy. And we know that this one equals to this one. And now we simplify for the both sides. So we put the interpolation for the both sides. And we have y squared plus c. And we know that this interpolation, we have 3sy. So in this case, we go in here. And this one, that is about y squared. And we know that this one, that is about fsy. fsy equals to c. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.